Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here is a wireless trailer light kit for your trailer, for your car in tow. This is what I actually use it for, and these are going to be solar. They're going to be recharging while you're driving down the road on a sunny day because there's 3 solar panels on each side, which is really nice to get these to stay charged while you're driving, so you don't have to worry about if they're low on battery. Now, you do get a battery indicator back here, which is right down here. Let's see if we can get it on. So I'm full charge up to green, yellow, and red, and then you do have your power button and then a light button. Now, you can recharge these. It will come with some USB-C cables, and you can go ahead and charge those up before going out. But again, because of the solar technology in this, it'll keep charge. You're going to get your left and right. And I like how these are arrows, making it easy for the person driving behind you, letting them know that you're turning left or right. And these are magnetics. These are really strong magnets. They're going to stick to any metal surface. But if you wanted to make sure that they are secure, they do include some wire harnesses here and a magnetic plate, just in case if there's a surface that you want to put these on that isn't magnetic, you can go ahead and mount these magnetic plates, so you do have that option. You're going to get everything. You're going to go ahead and plug this into your 7-way. This is what sends the signal to the back brake lights here, letting somebody know that you're braking, reversing, or turning left or right. So super easy installation and no wires, right? So that's the beauty, and that's why I went with this set. And I also went with it because of the solar. So if you're looking for a trailer light kit to let the folks behind you know that you're turning, braking, just to have a little bit more peace of mind with, with safety, definitely check out this set from Do Create. Highly recommend it. They're super bright and they work well when they're just connected. So definitely check them out. Highly recommend picking up this set.